Hello friends, today I will tell you Surya Namaskar and its 12 asanas. Surya Namaskar is also known as the sun salutation. It is a well-known posture in yoga that helps to bring and tone your entire body including your hips and your legs. During one round of Surya Namaskar, it burns approximately 14 calories. So it is known as the ultimate asana. It strengthens your back as well as your muscles and it brings down the blood sugar level. It improves blood circulation in your body and hence it gives an unmistakable glowing skin which even a best parlor can't give you. So try to do it twice daily for reducing your hips and thigh fat. But for best result, try to do it 5 times a day. That means increase gradually. So apart from all this, Surya Namaskar has many other utilities which I have given in the description box. You can check it out. So I am starting Surya Namaskar with my daughter Oishani. I am showing you the 12 steps gradually. Step number 1, that is prayer pose or Pranamasana. In this pose, your entire body is straight. Your hand is like this and look at the front. Inhale and exhale. Step number 2, that is the raised arm pose. Raised arm pose. If you can't raise up to this, raise up to this. For the beginners, you can raise up to this. Step number 3, hand to foot pose. In hand to foot pose, both the palm and both the feet are in same position. Check it. But for the beginners who cannot do, will do like this. But your knees will not bend. Step number 4 is the equestrian pose. In equestrian pose, your left leg will go back and your right leg will come in front, inside your both the hands. And your face will go above, look above. Step number 5 is the mountain pose. The right leg goes back. Come in front, beta. Come in front. Right leg goes back to the left leg. And your body is shaped like a mountain. Okay? This is mountain pose, step number 5. Now step number 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. Ashtanga Namaskara, look carefully. Your feet, your knees, your chin and your palm is in the ground level. And your body shape is just like this. Step number 7 is the Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Your entire body is lower part of the body is flat and from your chest it will go high and your palm will be, you have to give pressure on the palm. This is the Cobra pose. Step number 8. Again we are going back to the first step. Mountain pose. Mountain pose, your body just like a mountain. You have to look at your knees. Next, step number 9 is the equestrian pose. Again the left leg came in the front, right leg at the back. Step number 10 is the hand to toe pose. Hand to toe pose. This is step number 10. Step number 11 is the raised arm pose, which is equal to step number 2. Now, step number 12 is the standing mountain pose or the prayer pose, from where we have started. So these are the 12 poses of Surya Namaskar. Now I and my daughter both are showing it once again. Follow it. I move that side. Look at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are doing it bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is the Surya Namaskar. Gradually you increase from 1 to 5. Okay. Now let me tell you who cannot do this Surya Namaskar. Pregnant women should not practice Surya Namaskar. Patients of hernia and high blood pressure should never follow this. People suffering from back pain can do it, but either under the guidance of doctor. So let me give you one tip about Surya Namaskar. You should do Surya Namaskar during the morning or evening, that is during sunrise and sunset. But if you cannot follow, you can do it any time a day. Children above 6 years can do Surya Namaskar every day. So all about this today. My daughter will end the video. If you like my channel,
please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and please share as much as you can. Goodbye.
Stay home.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.